Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a yellow-white penguin. So you can see that I'm using my black pen. I'm starting from its beak. Now let's draw its head. Here's its wings. Here's another one. Now let's draw its legs. It has a tiny tail. Now let's draw its eye. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my light green pencil. I'm using my black pencil. Here's my light green pencil again. I'm using my black pencil again. In its beak, I'm using my red highlighter pen. And I'm using my pale orange crayon. Here's my light green pencil again. And I'm using my black pen. In its claw, I'm using my violet pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.